pleasure to have you here. Is it really an important moment for us? Because actually, when we do this kind of event, it's not an event just to share, technology words, but to build even more strong relation between us and of course between our customers. This event is important because we are going to see not only the new technology center, you are going to see how we think that we should approach in the future the customer experience when he's with us. So it's not only about machines, it's not only about looking what the machine can do, make the demo, whatever. It's about having a journey with our customer through our company. Means services, digital support, software, machines, skills, training. How we think that in the next future needs to be shared with our customer. Thank you.
For the machine. Let me take